I accidentally passed the other person on the path, but I was still successful. A tiny story from Move to Awesome Life. Everyone's at risk of some kind of maximum horror. But during the story, people independently overcome difficulties. In the story, there are two people from two groups, two very different groups that don't normally see each other. One person successfully gets his family fruit, etc. The second person walks to the top of the mountain and back, successfully getting his family herbs, etc. Overview of the story, with a bit of imagination on the part of the viewer. 1. The story is set in a time of the following. 2. The first group can represent cavemen or literal chimpanzees or others. 3. The second group are Bronze Age people. 4. Between the two groups is water, that can't be crossed, so the two groups never ever interact. 5. Both groups have run out of a key food item, fruit for the first group, and herbs for the second group. As a result, most of the people are feeling ill, and both groups are about to degenerate into internal conflict, maximum horror, and everyone dead. 6. There's a mountain, which is near both groups. There's food here, but it's difficult. Continued on the next page. Overview. Part 2 of 2. 7. You're about to see the following. The two characters, one from the first group and one from the second group, entirely independent of each other, both get the key food item that their group needs. 8. Most people think that walking towards the mountain is too dangerous, but it's fine. Whilst walking, the two characters accidentally pass each other on the path, but it's fine. 9. Because of the new food, enough people in both groups start to feel better, enough to see how to overcome the max horror and all dead situation. The relatively good ending. A summary. Compared to the max horror that would have happened, for the two independent groups, the ending is a success. Part 1. The story. From the point of view of one person, he's going out to collect fruit, but he'll get caught in rain, so he'll have to temporarily fall back to his family's old campsite. Collecting fruit. Bad weather. Making a larger fruit pile. Rain. At the old campsite. Part 2. The story. From the point of view of the other person. He's going to walk to the top of the hill, but he'll get lost and walk past the old campsite. And that is, at the same time as the first person is there. But it's fine. It's the beginning of the day. He leaves his basic accommodation. In the middle of the following video, the slight growling sound is person 1 encouraging person 2 to go away.
I'm going hiking. Oops. It's okay, he's gone. That was good, just going quietly around, whatever that was.
You have been watching a Move to Awesome Life tiny story. We call it. I accidentally passed the other person on the path, but I was still successful. At the beginning of the story, everyone was at risk of some kind of maximum horror. But during the story, people independently overcame difficulties. The end.